Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Attorney Dan, and today I want to talk about trademarks and if you can transfer your trademark to another party. And the answer is yes. This is the United States Patent and Trademark Office website regarding trademark assignments or transferring ownership or changing your name. Okay, and so one thing to understand is if you are filing on a 1A basis, which is at actual use basis, but have not received your registration, you can still transfer your application to another party. Now, if you are applying under a 1B intent to use, unfortunately, you cannot transfer your application to another party. The other party, you essentially would have to abandon your application, and then the other party would have to form or apply on their own. So you can't transfer an intent to use application. But this page will tell you how to do it. Right? There should be a trademark assignment form that you sign between the two parties, and then you're going to go to the electronic trademark assignment system and request a change. Enter in your information, upload the signed agreement. You get a receipt. They'll review it. Okay. And that's I believe there's a filing fee, but it's pretty straightforward. The key is actually the trademark assignment form, so that you're not losing out on anything. And there's certain representations, like maybe there's no disputes on the trademarks being transferred, things like that. So, but to answer the question, yes, trademarks can be transferred, and this is the website on how you can learn information. All right, this is Dan. I'll talk to you soon. Now, if you want to know more about trademarks, pick up my book, mytmbook.com. I'll put the link in the description below, and I'll send that book to you for free. Just pay shipping and handling. All right, talk to you later. Bye.